I know who that is.
Rose.
Sister Rose.
Sister Rose.
Sister Rose. No. Sister Sherry. May kapatid ka pala.
May kapatid ka pala.
I know where it
Gusto niya nakatayo.
Okay. This person is harsh on the outside but soft on the inside.
Harsh yun.
Benji.
Yan, ito. Soft ka. Soft na Mario.
In the outside.
Si Brad. Daddy! Mario?
Oh, which one?
Nila, ang kala nila heart inside out ka. Heart outside.
Okay, so this next person is good working. I don't know what that means.
Good working.
Si Benji.
Both.
Parang hindi eh.
Good working.
Good working?
That's what it says on the paper.
May husband.
Si Ray. Wala ko yan.
Okay, next person. My signature looks like one name but has both my names.
Kanino kaya yan? Sa'yo, tito.
Asmin Gute.
Ito oh.
No.
Hindi.
Paikaw?
Ayun.
Si Papa.
Ang galing ko.
Okay. Go. I hate or I get goosebumps when I see many black dots or holes.
Sister Nila.